Olives. These small unassuming fruits have been cultivated for thousands of years. These small fruits, bitter straight from the tree, hold a world of potential within them. Through a meticulous process, they transform into something truly special. Olive pickles, a beloved delicacy enjoyed by many. This metamorphosis from bitter fruit to savory snack happens in factories around the world where tradition meets innovation. Join us as we explore this fascinating process, delving into the heart of olive processing. We'll travel from the olive grove to your table, uncovering the secrets of the olive pickle and the journey it undertakes. This journey reveals a blend of ancient tradition and modern technology, showcasing how age-old methods are enhanced by contemporary advancements. We'll see how simple ingredients combined with time and care create a delicious and nutritious food that has stood the test of time. Get ready to learn about brining, fermentation, and the art of pickling. These processes are crucial in developing the unique flavors and textures of olive pickles. By the end, you might even be inspired to start your own pickle project at home, bringing a piece of this ancient tradition into your own kitchen. So sit back and enjoy as we take you on a flavorful journey from the humble olive grove to the delightful crunch of a perfectly pickled olive. Our journey starts in the olive grove. Workers carefully harvest the olives, ensuring they are ripe and ready. The olives then travel to the factory where the real transformation begins. The first step is grading and sorting. Olives are separated by size and quality. Some olives will become table olives enjoyed whole. Others are destined for the pickle jar. Next comes pitting. Large machines efficiently remove the olive pits, preparing them for brining. This process is crucial for both texture and flavor. Without pitting, the brine couldn't penetrate the olive, and the final product would be unpleasantly bitter. The brine is the heart of the pickling process. It's a simple solution of water, salt, and sometimes vinegar. Each factory has its own recipe, carefully guarded for generations. Some brines include spices and herbs for added flavor. Others rely on the pure, clean taste of salt and water. The brine serves two main purposes. First, it preserves the olives, extending their shelf life. Second, it transforms the olive's flavor, removing the bitterness and adding a salty tang. The olives soak in brine for weeks or even months, allowing the flavors to fully develop. After brining, the olives are ready for the final steps. They are rinsed and packed into jars, often with additional flavorings like garlic, herbs, or spices. The jars are then filled with fresh brine and sealed tightly. Some factories use pasteurization to further extend shelf life. This involves heating the jars to a specific temperature for a set time. Finally, the jars are labeled and packaged for shipping. The entire process from grove to grocery store can take several months, but the result is a delicious and nutritious snack that can be enjoyed year-round. Section 5, DIY pickles, bringing the factory home. You don't need a factory to make delicious olive pickles. In fact, the beauty of pickling at home is that you can control every aspect of the process, from the ingredients you use to the flavors you create. With a few simple ingredients and some patience, you can recreate this process at home. The satisfaction of making your own pickles is unmatched, and it's easier than you might think. Start by sourcing fresh, high-quality olives. Whether you pick them yourself or buy them from a market, the quality of the olives will greatly affect the final product. You can use any variety, but larger olives with meaty flesh work best. They tend to absorb the brine better and have a more satisfying texture. Next, choose your brine. A simple salt and water solution is a great starting point. The salt helps to preserve the olives and enhances their natural flavors. You can also experiment with different types of salt for subtle variations in taste. Once you've brined your olives, the possibilities are endless. You can keep them simple or get creative with additional ingredients. Experiment with different flavor combinations. Think about what flavors you enjoy and try to incorporate them into your pickles. Add garlic, herbs, spices, or even citrus zest to create your own signature pickle. Each ingredient will infuse the olives with its unique flavor, making your pickles truly one of a kind. Remember, the key to great pickles is time. The longer you let the olives brine, the more developed and complex their flavors will become. Allow your olives to brine for at least a few weeks to develop their full flavor. Patience is essential, but the wait is well worth it. Enjoy the process and the delicious results of your homemade pickles. Section 6. Green goodness, the nutritional power of olives. Olive pickles are not only delicious, but also surprisingly nutritious. They are a good source of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. Olives are naturally low in calories and contain no cholesterol. This makes them a guilt-free snack option. One of the key nutrients in olives is oleic acid. This monounsaturated fat has been linked to numerous health benefits, including improved heart health and reduced inflammation. Olives are also a good source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage. Section 7. Heart. Healthy habits. Olives and your ticker. The heart-healthy benefits of olives are well documented. Studies have shown that consuming olives regularly can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. The monounsaturated fats in olives help raise levels of good HDL cholesterol while lowering levels of bad LDL cholesterol. This helps keep arteries clear and promotes healthy blood flow. In addition to their fat profile, olives are also rich in polyphenols. These plant compounds act as antioxidants, further protecting the heart from damage. Polyphenols help reduce inflammation and prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, both of which contribute to heart disease. Section 8. Digestion and Beyond. The benefits continue. The benefits of olives extend beyond heart health. Olives are a good source of fiber, which is essential for digestive health. Fiber adds bulk to stool, promoting regularity and preventing constipation. It also serves as food for beneficial bacteria in the gut, contributing to a healthy microbiome. Furthermore, some studies suggest that olives may have anti-cancer properties. The antioxidants in olives may help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to cancer development. While more research is needed, these early findings are promising. Section 9. A world of olives. Variety is the spice of life. The world of olive pickles is incredibly diverse. From the briny Castelvetrano olives of Italy to the spicy pimento-stuffed olives of Spain, there's an olive pickle out there for every palate. Each variety offers its own unique flavor, profile, and texture. Experiment with different types of olives to find your favorites. Try them on their own as a snack or incorporate them into your favorite recipes. Olives add a salty, briny pop of flavor to salads, sandwiches, pizzas, and more. Section 10. Savoring the flavor. Embracing the benefits from humble beginnings in the olive grove to the final product in your pantry. The journey of the olive pickle is a testament to the transformative power of food. Each olive is carefully handpicked by dedicated workers who understand the importance of quality and timing. These olives are then transported to our state-of-the-art factory where the magic truly begins. We've explored the meticulous process of turning bitter olives into savory snacks, uncovering the secrets of brining, fermentation, and flavor development. The olives are sorted meticulously to ensure only the best make it to the brining stage. In large vats, they undergo a transformation, soaking in a carefully crafted brine that enhances their natural flavors and textures. But beyond their deliciousness, olive pickles offer a wealth of health benefits. According to nutrition experts, these pickles are not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your health. They are rich in essential nutrients that contribute to overall well-being. They are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants that can boost heart health, aid digestion, and more. The healthy fats found in olives are known to support cardiovascular health, while the fiber content aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Antioxidants present in olives help combat oxidative stress, promoting better health. So next time you reach for a snack, consider the humble olive pickle. It's not just a snack, it's a healthful choice that can be enjoyed in various ways. Whether you add them to your salads, sandwiches, or simply enjoy them straight from the jar, olive pickles are versatile and delicious. It's a delicious and nutritious way to satisfy your cravings while nourishing your body. Embrace the rich flavors and the numerous health benefits that come with every bite. Olive pickles are more than just a food item. They are a celebration of taste and health combined.